Hey everyone, today I will install the Apple CarPlay jumper for Harley Davidson Street Special 2021. I don't understand why it's not in stock, but maybe it's all about the money. So I heard from somebody it's cost maybe $600 or $700, and I will do it for $20 because I ordered from Amazon this jumper and I tried to install it by myself. It looks like very easy. Screws here, 3 screws here, and here. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe it's not easy, maybe it is. So yeah, let's go. Looks like very easy, right? Looks like very simple. Ooh, that's it. I need to disconnect the headlamp, and that's it. Okay, looks like this one, this part, and why it's that's it. Yeah, but it didn't work. Cool. This is the menu. Very cool. Pretty easy. Easy peasy Japanesey.